This Filipino-American composed her own verse in Easy Mills' hit song Panalo. Wait till you hear her Tagalog lines.
Who are you trying to prove? All of my life I was thinking about what to do. How do I make them approve? They laughing, they staring, they watching me, nobody move. Who is she trying to fool? They think that my skin is a sin, but my swagger is all that they are trying to pursue. Hindi makapaniwala sa akin bathala, maawa ka naman sana. Di daw ako Pilipino, ay patawarin sana ng aking ninuno. Galing to sa tabing dagat, ngayon na angin, di marunong magpatalo. Look at me, look at me, look at me, lahat sila doon nakapila sa dulo. Will not escape my identity, causing calamity. Has always been in my destiny. I am not here to be sorry, you can be salty. I will be jolly like Jollibee, you can look skeptically, but this is a Filipino prodigy. I'm stacking my apples like I'm counting peas. The money is hitting, I'm on my many. Wins ancestral, put me on a pedestal. I will hustle till my nana gets a castle with a tunnel and a couple loose bands. This is what I demand, black and Filipina.
Comment yes if you think she's good and subscribe for more.